Hello, welcome to the tutorial for getting to know ArcGIS Pro. In this tutorial, we're going to go over how you're gonna download the ebook and get the exercises. So I did get a trial version, and if you click on here, and then you can sign in your information and get an account and start with a trial. And also you can download the book material at isri.source. But here I already downloaded. It's in my folder, and I'm going to put it here. So, and then you double click on it and install in your computer. So which I did is on right here. And that's all my data, getting to know ArcGIS Pro. And today we're gonna start with exercises 1. So we are not using this right now. Alright, if you go to page 1, exercise 1, that we have to explore ArcGIS online to find a public map that shows real-time earthquake data, and we're going to open a map that shows pedestrians and bicycle accidents. Configure symbology for accidents and municipal boundaries. Configure map pop-up windows to make them easier to read. Save the map to your content page. As I want you to know that because Israel keep updating their website's interface, you should be aware that the appearance or the option of ArcGIS Online may change at any time. So which that means when I type in something here, you might not see exactly the same unless you are just working on it when I post it. All right. So this is ArcGIS.com and ArcGIS Online. So we're gonna go to ArcGIS and ArcGIS Online. So right now interfaces changes already. If you see the book, it's different. All right. And click the Feature tab to learn more about how developers and professionals use ArcGIS, as well as how you can get maps and apps and other services. So you can go to Features and see different things, and if you want help, and you can make some phone call and get some help. Alright, so we're gonna go to Gallery Bar, and that illicit feature maps from the Living Atlas. Obviously, by the time you're watching this video, and it changed a lot. So the gallery displays Israeli featured content with maps and apps from all over the world. Map categories include imagery, so still imagery-based map, and that historical maps, that about people, the earth, and a lifestyle. Gallery content is constantly evolving, so now they add story map and different things. Basically, it's just still the same. In the search box, so we can type recent earthquake. It's right here. Recent earthquake. And then we hit enter or click search. And then it will give us some options. To be more specific in your research, that you can also add the owner as a search parameter. So by trying, we could try adding owner Israeli _ Atlas. After my search term, it will only return maps only by Israeli. So right now, wow, that's a lot. Okay, so I saw one here, but I do want to do as the textbook mentioned. So owner and column Israeli _ Atlas. Alright, still shows a lot. And then we have to put recent earthquake. Alright, so that's the one. And then I clicked open and open, maybe I go back a little bit. So that open and the interface changes. So you can just go to click the dots, or if you hover on top of it, it's already say open a map viewer. And right now you can see the interfaces changes a lot. And the map, here it describe it, and we can just open view detail and share. We don't have to share right now. View item in detail, opening map viewer. So that in map viewer, we already did that, opening map viewer. So obviously that the book mentioned there are two options. We can do more. View item details. So if we go view item details, wow, it brings us into a new page that show us and tell us some more information. And then the other is open a map viewer, opening ArcGIS and desktop. So 3 options. So it adds 1. So the map shows earthquake from the last 90 days. So your map will look different from the one shown here because the map shows earthquake data dynamically in real time. So now Mexico used to have the earthquake. We're safe in Florida. And look at those. Wow, cool. And then every 30 minutes for worldwide events. So, earthquake in California are broadcast every few minutes and about every 30 minutes for worldwide events. So the legend shows 3 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now we have 5 different legends to show the magnitude. So the larger the circle, the greater, the larger the magnitude. So let's zoom in a little bit to look at Mexico. Oh, that was reported. Let's go to see Japan. Nothing happens in Japan right now. That's boring. Oh, nothing happens. Alright, so then we travel back here. That we do not have a lot of options, but we do have a magnitude changes here. So we're gonna click the earthquake. So it's searching now. Wow. So it's 6. This is 6, and last time it says it's close to Mexico City. Yeah, it's very close to Mexico City. And what about this one? We can just click on it, and it's December 15th, and it's not that big. And let me click back here. Oh, it's searching. So zoom to. And it didn't mention. Oh, maybe a big while ago. There. Oh, that's really cool. And you can see the changes here. So this is a pop-up window. Number 7, shake intensity. Then it's getting weak. So, wow, this is a huge one. And let's see this one. So, and now you can see the earthquake magnitude, depth, location, date, and time, of all which are considered the attribute data. So right now we're still waiting. Come on. And you can click a web link for more information. And I don't know if it's gonna come out. So right now we're just gonna wait. Oh, it's not showing up. Oh, finally. So, see? December 18th, and you can see the location, depth, and we can also click more information. It brings us to USGS website. So we're gonna close the pop-up window and zoom out with the scroll, and wheel your mouse or with the navigation control in upper left-hand side. So you can do like this, And let's see the Ring of Fire. I don't think it's updated. I don't know what happened. So, that have earthquake activity, namely around the Pacific. Here is Ring of Fire, Pacific Ring of Fire, but I don't see anything. Let's see, maybe have to do with the legend. Content or imagery. Alright, see? Finally. Alright. Ring of Fire, that's crazy. Then we're gonna click the base map to see available base map, and then we're gonna click oceans. So base map and oceans. There. Base map provides a backdrop and frame of reference for operational layers such as earthquakes. Now you can see the earthquake is in relation to the ocean floor. As you zoom in with each which each zone level, the base map provides more detail. Let's see, the ocean and different type. And then if I zoom in a little bit more, and nope, not that part. And here is New Britain Trench. In this case, you see more details about the ocean floor. In other base map, you might see cities, streets, and eventually building outlines. In the satellite base maps, you can see your house, school, work, park, lake, and more. So, the side pan to the left of the map contains 3 tabs. So, about, alright, and then here it shows the information here, and even people rate it and commented, and you can click to see more details. Alright, and then we have the content that we can expand and add more all significant events and all pages alerts, and we can add more stuff here to turn on the layer. Events, and then we have the base map. So the contents include the recent earthquake layers and the ocean's base map. So this is the ocean base map. And then you can click expand and collapse and expand it to see more information. The layers have a checkbox, so you can turn them on and off. So this is checkbox. You can turn that on and off, on and off. And each layer you will see more feature here. And if you click this, and it will tell you more information. So the base map is always on and has no checkbox. So you can see there is no checkbox for that. You can expand the recent earthquake layers to see the symbology and other options to show a table. Change the style and filter data. So then we can click modify map. If you click on it right now, so far nothing happens. Public maps such as modify map, yes, open the map, and then you can do something here, but you have to sign in. So, such as this one can be modified without affecting the author's original map. You can add more layers from ArcGIS Online, or the web, or from your own computer. Alright, we will talk more next time.